everyone. To start करते हैं chapter number 17 question answer. Question number 1, we have a pair of dash opening out above the upper lips. It leads to a nasal chamber through the nasal passage. Answer है external nostrils. Next है the nasal chamber opens into the pharynx, a portion of which is the common passage for dash. Answer है food and air. Next, the pharynx opens through the dash region into trachea. Answer is larynx. Next, larynx is a dash box which help in sound production and hence called the dash. Answer is cartilaginous sound box. Next, during swelling, glottis can be covered by a thin elastic cartilaginous flap called dash to prevent the entry of food into the larynx. Answer is epiglottis. Next, trachea is a straight tube extended up to the mid-thoracic cavity which divides at the tropic level of dash into right and left primary bronchi. Answer is fifth thoracic vertebra. Next, each bronchi undergoes repeated division to form the secondary and tertiary bronchi and bronchioles, ending up in a very thin terminal bronchioles. Next, trachea, primary, secondary and tertiary bronchi and initial bronchioles are supported by incomplete dash. Answer is cartilaginous rings. Next, each terminal bronchiole give rise to a number of very thin, irregular, walled and vascularized bag-like structures called dash. Answer is alveoli. Next, the branching network of bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli comprise the dash. Answer is lungs. Next, we have two lungs which are covered by a double layer dash with pleural fluid between them. Answer is pleura. Next, pleura reduces dash on the lung surface. Answer is friction. Next, the dash pleural membrane is in close contact with the thoracic lining, whereas the inner pleural membrane is in contact with the lung surface. Answer is outer. Next, the part starting with the external nostrils up to the terminal bronchioles constitute the dash, whereas the alveoli and their ducts form the dash or exchange part of the respiratory system. Answer is conducting part, respiratory. Next, the conducting part transport the atmospheric air to the alveoli, clears it from foreign particles dash and also brings the air to the body temperature. Answer is humidifies. Next, exchange part is the site of dash of O2 and CO2 between blood and atmospheric air. Answer is actual diffusion. Next, the lungs are situated in the thoracic chamber which is anatomically and dash. Answer airtight chamber. Next, the thoracic chamber is formed dorsally by the vertebral column, ventrally by the dash, laterally by the ribs and on the lower side by the dash. Answer is sternum, dome shaped diaphragm. Next, the anatomical setup of the lung in thorax is such that any change in the volume of the thoracic cavity will be reflected in the dash cavity. Answer is lung. Next, such an arrangement is essential for breathing as we cannot directly alter the dash. Answer pulmonary volume. Next, respiration involves the following steps: dash by which atmospheric air is drawn in and CO2 rich alveolar air is released out. Answer is breathing or pulmonary ventilation. Next, dash of gases across alveolar membrane. Answer is diffusion. Next, dash of gases by the blood transport. Next, dash of O2 and CO2 between blood and tissues. Answer is diffusion. Next, dash by the cell for catabolic reaction and resultant release of CO2. Answer, utilization of O2